And one of the other big stories that we are tracking is, of course, the NEET scam investigation, the tentacles of which now spread to at least 5 states. This is the news that's coming in from Maharashtra, in fact, specifically from the Latur district of the state, where the police has now detained 2 more people in connection with the leak of the NEET question paper, bringing the total to 6 suspects under investigation of the Maharashtra police. These 2 were allegedly following the instructions of one of the accused who's already been taken into custody. The 4 main accused have already been named in the FR that's been registered as well. So 2 more arrested in Latur district of Maharashtra. With this, a total of 6 suspects are now under radar in the Latur district of Maharashtra. Let's go across to Satya Prakash. He's getting us the details. Satya, if you can once again take us through this whole Maharashtra angle that has surfaced. In total, we understand that 6 suspects have been taken into custody by the police.
देखिए समीक्षा, इस मामले में लातूर पुलिस ने पहले 4 लोग के खिलाफ एफआईआर जो दर्ज किया था, उसमें 2 लोग को अरेस्ट किया है। पहले जलील पठान को कल अरेस्ट किया था, आज संजय यादव को अरेस्ट किया है। साथ ही 4 के अलावा जो है 2 लोग और हैं जिनको आज डिटेन किया है, उनसे पूछताछ किया जा रहा है। इनके मोबाइल से कई चीज़ें ऐसी मिली है जिसके आधार पर जो पहले 2 लोग अरेस्ट हुए हैं उनको और आज जो 2 लोग को डिटेन किया गया है उनसे पूछताछ किया जा रहा है। ये लोग बच्चों से पैसे लिए हैं, जो जानकारी मिल रही है बच्चों से पैसे लिए हैं और इनका हॉल टिकट के साथ कई ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट मिले हैं जिसके आधार पर लातूर पुलिस ने पहले 2 लोग को अरेस्ट किया है, अभी 2 लोग को डिटेन किया है। इस मामले में अभी भी 2 लोग फरार है, जो कि जिसका नाम है गंगाधर, जो बताया जा रहा है कि मेन अक्यूज ये माना जा रहा है कि गंगाधर जो है मेन अक्यूज है, जो महाराष्ट्र के जो 3 टीचर हैं उनसे लगातार संपर्क में था और पैसे के लेन देन के साथ कई जगह पे मीटिंग हुई है। इन सारी चीज़ों को लेकर लातूर पुलिस पता कर रही है। थोड़ी देर बाद दोपहर बाद लातूर पुलिस जो कि संजय यादव को अरेस्ट किया है उनको कोर्ट में पेश करेगी और रिमांड में लेगी। जी।
All right, Satya, thank you for the moments. So, Satya, they're tracking the latest. This is the Latur connection which has surfaced in the entire NEET scam investigation. And on to the other story that we are tracking. This is the delegation, the 5-member Pakistan delegation that arrived in Jammu's Kishtwar yesterday to inspect the rivers. In fact, this is in relation to the Indus Water Treaty that was signed way back in 1960, in connection to which the Pakistani delegation visited Jammu, and this was not the first such visit since J&K's special status was revoked.
The 40-member delegation of the Indus Water Treaty is now leaving from the hotel that they were staying in, and I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals that the members of the delegation, they are coming out. That includes a member from the Pakistan as well as the United States and the Russia. These members, they will be heading towards the Kishtwar. They include the neutral members also and the members from the Pakistan. This is important visit keeping in view the Indus Water Treaty that was reached upon by India and Pakistan in 1960, and since then we have seen that both the countries are abiding by the true spirit. However, Pakistan has raised some objections to this. In 2022 also we have seen the Pakistani side raising the objection, and now the delegation of the Pakistan is in frame. Gaurav is showing you the visuals of the Pakistani delegation that has come here, and now they will be heading towards the Kishtwar district, wherein they will be reviewing the situation. They will be reviewing what has happened and what the the objections of this delegation will be. Gaurav is showing you the visuals of the Pakistani delegation that is heading towards the Kishtwar and will be having thorough discussion. Sir, you will be having a visit. What you have to say, sir? So the Pakistani delegation is now leaving for the Kishtwar district, wherein they will be having a 4-day long visit, and this is going to be very important visit of the Pakistani delegation, as they, along with the neutral delegates, they will be having a discussion on the scenario. With Gaurav Sahni, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network.